Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for January the 18th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, over 20 drug makers launched a project to tackle non-communicable diseases such as cancer and diabetes in low and lower middle-income countries. The initiative, termed Access Accelerated, aims to work towards the United Nations goal of reducing premature deaths from NCDs by 1/3 by 2030. The project, which is being funded with $50 million over 3 years, will focus on addressing access barriers to NCD prevention, treatment and care. Ian Reid, CEO of member company Pfizer, said we need to catalyse new partnerships, learn quickly and advance the resources and knowledge that will enable countries to tackle NCDs. In other news, Eli Lilly agreed to acquire CoLucid Pharmaceuticals for around $960 million, boosting its portfolio in pain management for migraine. CoLucid is developing the oral 5-HT1F agonist lasmiditan for the acute treatment of migraine, with a US marketing application targeted for submission in 2018. In addition, Novartis CEO Joe Jimenez suggested that incoming US President Donald Trump's plans to cut corporate tax rates could trigger increased investment in the country. Jimenez said, "When we build a new manufacturing site we think about the tax rate, so a booming US economy would make the US more attractive for investment." And finally, Takeda entered a deal with Ovid Therapeutics to develop the Japanese company's TAK-935 for rare pediatric epilepsies. Under the deal, the drug makers would equally share development costs, with Ovid set to lead activities in the US, Europe, Canada and Israel. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.